Hey guys, so I got a new package from Bambu Lab, so let's open it and see what's inside. So, disclaimer, I did order and pay for all the contents myself. Bambu did not sponsor, nor contact, nor send this over free of charge, which means all the stuff was bought with my own money. So this was all my own money. Oops. I do want to eventually get sponsorships from Bambu Lab, so if you're watching, Bambu Lab, please sponsor me because your products are great and I can give an honest yet great review about your products. So this is let's take a look. This looks like a plate. Packaged very well in this bubble wrap. Inside there's a little small, okay, so this is the smooth PEI plate. Take a look. Okay, so the way the box is designed is there's two huge cardboard flaps, so that way you'll never damage the bed. The plate. When cutting open the tape, like that. That's what I mean. Bambu has thought this out very well. And then there's even two more cardboard flaps. And then there's my new smooth PEI plate on double sides. That is very awesome. So let's take a look. Like this. How do I do this? So, okay, there's two plastic tabs, one for each side. There's one side. And there's the other. Okay. Now, I think we just print right ahead. Or we can wash it. I think I'm just going to print right ahead when I start using this. But for now, let's put this aside into my plate holder. Okay, so let's go to the next order of business. I actually don't know what half of this stuff is, so we'll have to find out. Okay, so this is a complete hot end assembly. The box came like that. Don't know what happened, but the content should be fine because there was a bubble wrap bag. Two screws. And the new hot end. Has a fan, has all the components. Looks nice, and there's already a little bit of filament inside it, and I think that's from factory testing, which is good, which proves they actually test their products. So I currently don't need a 0.2 hot end today, not yet at least. So I'm just gonna put this aside in my maintenance drawer for later use. Okay, next we have the circular embedded electronic digital thermometers. So I have a bunch of those. So let's open these up. These should all be the same. These are about, I think it was like a couple of bucks each. They're pretty affordable. And that's how they work. What kind of battery do they run? Let's take a look. So they run on LR44 batteries, the simple small coin cell batteries. So they're pretty classical. And I'm just gonna unbox and turn on all of these because I'm gonna put these in the dry boxes and one in the printer chamber, maybe one in the AMS. So it'll be cool to see how these work out. So make sure they all work. I'm gonna keep the boxes for now. I can just throw them away and then not throw away the garbage yet. So if it does malfunction, I can send it back. And I do hope that Bambu will, reimburse me or send over a replacement if that's the case. We're gonna test the consistency of these. So far, they're doing pretty good. We're between a 2% difference on the hygrometer part. And then I ordered 6 of these, so this will be the last one. Thought I'd order a bit more. It'd be better than ordering less. And we're just going to have them sit here, and later on in the video, we'll let them sell. We'll see what the results are. So we have these NFC tag stickers that I have fun projects I'm going to do with them. I'll take a look. I did buy the no adhesive version. Oh, but these are stickers actually, so that's interesting to see. And I will test these in another video if I have time. Or actually, I'm just gonna put them to use. Now this is the best part, the thing I'm most excited for. This was part of the Pumpkin Palooza Halloween sale, where you could get up to 1 spool per order refill of PLA, PLA matte, I believe, Petri translucent, and what I chose, ABS. So this is a refill spool, which means I get a whole kilo of filament, and this was only 13 Canadian dollars after tax with this Pumpkin Palooza deal. I'm gonna put this box aside. This is Bambu's ABS. Let me take an empty spool I have. Should I do a clear or this one? What's the temperature difference? It doesn't matter, but I like the clear, so let's go for the clear. So, let's follow this instruction that Bambu has. Okay. Oh, it's all in Chinese. Oh, there's an English side. That's good. Because I don't know how to read Chinese, even though I am Chinese, which is a little bit weird. Oh, one of our hygrometers is not functioning. Try it again. Now I'll have to send these back to Bambu. Okay, let's take a look. Let's see how that one runs. Okay, so twist open the reusable spool. I will have a wide piece and a narrow piece. Should be easy. Twist, open, twist like that. Okay. Wide piece, narrow piece. Find a locator on the a tiny block on the wide piece. Right there. Align with the notch on the inner ring of the filament roll. So to do that, I need to pop this roll. Take the knife out. Oh, snap the desiccant in there. Whoopsie. I'm gonna peel it open. And after this, we're gonna dry the filament. So I am recording this also just in case this assembly fails, which I'll have to send it back to Bambu, but it shouldn't fail. So here's what we do. We align the notch with the RFID tag on this side, which has the notch. Okay, and then it should be aligned, and then the spool should lock in place, which I did that correctly, and now nothing's moving, which is good. And now I'm going to take the spool, align the triangles, this to there. So line that, make sure that we're right. There's a locking, there's a triangle. I push, I turn, and I click into place, make sure it's very in there. Okay. And then now I can tear apart and pull out these plastic strips. And then we'll come out in one piece. There's one. And then this end is under there. What I'm actually gonna do is put it in here for now so that we don't have it spontaneously unwind. Pull tab. Pull tab. And come on. Pull tab. There you go. That's how you refill a Bambu Lab spool. It does come with a pack of desiccant and this label, which I will actually switch out right now. I no longer have PLA Basic at all. I'm gonna remove that sticker and I'll throw that in the garbage. I'm gonna replace it with the Bambu Lab ABS spool sticker, which I hope there's a little measuring dial on it, so I hope it's accurate. Because of course, as some of us know, ABS and PLA have different densities. Let me take the old one to compare, if Bambu really took that into consideration. So it looks like They did not. The stickers are exactly the same with the markings. So that's just not going to be accurate, but it's going to be a rough estimation. So again, to those who don't know, ABS is a toxic material. So please, please do not print this without an enclosure or without proper ventilation. I have a lot of gear for that. So let me go get a filament clip. These are Grandma's favorite filament clips, and I printed these out of Polylite polycarbonate. So there's a little angled end there. We're going to snip that off so that we don't jam our printer. There we go. And I'm just going to put it in like that. And the winding on the refills aren't actually as good as the normal ones, which I would expect. That is pretty fair. Now there we go, new spool of ABS. And let's go dry this bad boy. Okay, and coming with the spool is a pack of, this is clay desiccant, so I'm going to throw that in a dry box. And then now the thing we've all been waiting for is an empty box. And these hygrometers, let's take a look. So they're all on 57%. And they vary from, do you guys see it? Okay, let me just move the phone closer so you guys can actually see what's going on. So, okay, let's sort these. So all 57%. I'll sort them by number here. Just gonna sort them by number so we can see which is which. So here we start, they're all 57%, which is good. 19.8 Celsius all the way to 20.9 Celsius. Now that might be inaccurate because of the way my workshop is just a glass table. Yep, that spot's just teeny bit warmer than outside here, so that might make a difference. But all I really care about is the hygrometer percentage. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.